In the ever-changing world of business, an organization's success depends on constantly meeting new challenges and adapting to the marketplace. I'm Greg Gumbel. From e-commerce to investing, business strategies to human resources, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to the Economic Report. The effects of new technology are best seen in the world of medicine, where it continues to improve lives every day. Let's examine this next story.
Over the past 30 years, total national spending on healthcare has more than doubled as a share of the gross national product. As of 2007, the cost of healthcare in the United States was over $2.3 trillion. The reasons for the especially high cost of healthcare in the U.S. can be attributed to a number of factors, ranging from inappropriate healthcare and the rising costs of medical technology and prescription drugs.
The drug development process is a costly and a lengthy one, which in turn drives the high cost of new treatment. Treatments are developed based on average patient population, and each drug usually only have about 50% chance to be effective for a specific patient. Therefore, even though we have quite amount of new drugs on the market, patients are not receiving effective and cost-efficient therapies.
As this problem has become more evident, there has been rapid growth in the underlying molecular knowledge of diseases, and as a result, an increased emergence and adoption of novel medical technologies and services, like molecular diagnostics.
In the past, we diagnosed disease by where it was in the body and what it looked like under the microscope, but this did not predict response to therapy accurately. In the future, we will use molecular diagnostics to study changes in the proteins and DNA of the patient's individual diseased cells and use that to tailor the therapy to the patient.
The increasing sophistication of molecular diagnostics will continue to redefine the landscape of patient therapy and physician decision-making and provide benefits on both the individual and national level.
Molecular diagnostics has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by treating the right patient with the right drug. In the future, we will use molecular diagnostics to individualize therapy, choosing from a panel of potential therapies for each patient. We will then tailor the combination of therapies to that patient's molecular content of their disease.
Maryland-based Theranostics Health is an emerging leader in bringing specialized medicine to the marketplace. Their unique technologies allow pharmaceutical developers to accurately assess the effectiveness of their proprietary drugs and physicians to tailor optimized, personalized therapies to their patients.
Theranostics developed a protein-based platform. We developed a protein-based platform because while DNA is the information archive, it's the proteins that actually do the work of the cell and are the drug targets for most cancer therapeutics. We now know that each patient's tumor has a deranged protein pathway that causes that tumor to grow. We took a very common sense approach then. If at the end of the day you want to know in each patient's tumor which drug targets are activated and which protein pathways are activated, why not develop a platform that can directly measure that?
Clinicians and pharmaceutical companies alike benefit from using the unique Theranostics platform.
Our technology can measure hundreds of drug targets at once from a tiny biopsy specimen, something really no other technology can do. This information is critical for pharmaceutical companies as they understand which companion diagnostics they want to take to the clinic. At the end of the day, we'll be able to help them realize that promise by enriching and stratifying patients that will best respond to those therapies.
Although there are a number of different cancer treatments, these treatments have different mechanisms of action. These assays are being used to better understand the biology of individual tumors so we can customize treatment. Using this strategy, we hope to improve the outcome of patients.
The new focus on personalized medicine continues to be driven by factors such as consumers demanding more affordable medicines and less side effects, and the aging baby boomer population. As the landscape of molecular diagnostics continues to change, companies like Theranostics Health are positioning themselves to meet the needs of both pharmaceutical companies and clinicians.